Have you ever wondered why we don't feel the Earth spinning beneath our feet? After all, the Earth is rotating at a speed of around 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. That's faster than the speed of sound. So why don't we feel this motion? To understand why we don't feel the Earth spinning, let's first look at a spinning top. When a top is spinning, it's rotating around its own axis. As the top spins, its axis remains in a fixed position. This is known as its axis of rotation. The Earth is similar to a spinning top. It's rotating around its own axis, which runs from the North Pole to the South Pole. However, unlike a spinning top, the Earth is not fixed in space. It's orbiting around the Sun, and the entire solar system is moving through the Milky Way galaxy. This means that the Earth's axis of rotation is constantly shifting, a process known as precession. The Earth's precession takes around 26,000 years to complete one full cycle. So, while the Earth is rotating around its own axis, it's also moving through space in many different ways. To understand why we don't feel the Earth's motion, imagine you're riding a roller coaster. When the roller coaster is moving at a constant speed, you don't feel any motion because your body is moving with the same velocity. The same is true for the Earth. Since we're all moving with the same velocity as the Earth, we don't feel any motion. To put it another way, imagine you're driving a car on a highway. If you were to close your eyes, you wouldn't be able to tell whether you're moving or standing still, as long as you're moving at a constant speed. So, while the Earth is spinning at a dizzying speed, we don't feel any motion because we're all moving with the same velocity. However, there are situations where we can feel the Earth's rotation. For example, when you're on a spinning amusement park ride, you feel the centrifugal force pushing you outwards, and this sensation is caused by the ride's rotation. Similarly, when a plane takes off or lands, you might feel a slight tilting sensation, which is caused by the Earth's rotation. The fact that we don't feel the Earth spinning is actually a good thing. If we did, it would be incredibly disorienting and possibly even deadly. So, the next time you look up at the sky and marvel at the Earth's rotation, remember that while we can't feel the motion, it's still happening all around us. However, there's more to the story. The Earth is not a perfect sphere, and its shape is constantly changing due to various factors, such as the gravitational pull of the Moon and the Sun. The Moon, in particular, plays a significant role in the Earth's rotation. The Moon's gravitational pull creates a bulge on the Earth's surface, causing the ocean tides to rise and fall. As the Earth rotates, this bulge moves around the planet, causing a slight wobbling motion known as nutation. Nutation has a period of around 18.6 years and a maximum amplitude of about 9 arcseconds. However, nutation is still too small to be felt by humans. The same is true for another phenomenon known as polar motion, which is the slow drift of the Earth's rotational axis. The Earth's rotational axis is not fixed in space, but it moves around in a small circle due to various factors, such as the gravitational pull of the Moon and the Sun and the redistribution of mass within the Earth. However, the magnitude of polar motion is also too small to be felt by humans. To understand the Earth's motion better, let's go back to the spinning top. When a top is spinning, it has a fixed axis of rotation, which remains in the same position. However, the Earth's axis of rotation is not fixed in space. It's constantly shifting due to various factors, such as the gravitational pull of the Moon and the Sun and the tidal forces exerted by the ocean. If you really like our video, feel free to support us with a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel Space Bites, and look forward to the videos that will be waiting for you in the future.